I'm waiting.
Staircase to Yrjönkatu 4 in Porista. Staircase B.
Okay. It was built in 1960, turning 60 years old this year in 2020. Will be inspected in 2022, and the serial number is H9303.
Asun tosiaan Porin Yrjönkatu 4, Porin keskus, Porissa B-porras.
Yeah. Can you say the information here, and then we continue?
I can see.
Yes, say it, please.
Valmistettu vuonna 1960, sisarnumero on H9303.
Yes. Then two rights, silent ones.
It has memory also.
Ah. Let's see. Weird music.
Yeah.
It's coming from the elevator. But on that next one it should be completely silent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spektiit kivainspektio, mutta miten kaikki on.
Tarkistettu kivainspektio huolettu koneen toimesta.
And now silence, please.
Yeah.
Let's see if this works. Not press yet. Do not press. Let's see the memory. Once again. Now that's perfect. What a perfect video this was.
Yeah.
It's so amazing. I've never seen anything like this. It's memory. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully we're getting the stickers A. Is there a C also?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, hopefully we're getting to those as well. That's it.